Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden projects, stylish woodworking ideas, palette projects of wood, new and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful home decor ideas with stylish woodworking. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas, beautiful wooden decor ideas, home decor ideas, office decor ideas, stylish woodworking ideas, scarf woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. You can easily make these very beautiful projects if you know woodworking. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking, about home decor ideas, office decor ideas, indoor outdoor decor ideas you can see in this my channel. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful stylish woodworking objects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, beautiful wooden home decor ideas, office decor ideas, beautiful stylish woodworking ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Hello friends.